Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Custom Knife Factory Knives FIF20 here with me for a quick unboxing and review. This is a pretty cool one, guys, because look at this. CKF is giving you an extra zirconium, I think. No, this is titanium bronze anodized pocket clip. Extra pivot with pivot screws. Extra set of bearings, stop pins, screws for everything. So basically you have new hardware set with your purchase. You've got your card, COA with matching serial number. You've got a nice cloth right over here, and you have, of course, this pretty cool pouch, and of course you have this beautiful boy right over here. This is a very, very nice one, guys. Check out the size. Overall length is going to be 7.8 inches with a 4.5 inch long, 4.4 maybe inch long handle, and a 3.5-ish long blade. Really, really cool, guys. This is a liner lock, marble carbon fiber scale, zirconium bolsters, titanium hardware, beautifully designed by Philippe Georget. That's his logo. This is Custom Knife Factory logo. It's just a beautiful knife, guys. Really, really cool front flipper, M390 steel. Would you look at the satin finish in this blade? Look at this swedge going on, blade right there. The plunge grind is something ridiculously good. And look how thin behind the edge. This is a slicer. Absolutely, it's a slicer. It's just a beautifully designed blade. Action is just like stupidly good, like really like phenomenal. You can just flick it like that, and look at this. Oh boy, the action is so good on this one. The grip is perfect. There's no hot spots. You can squeeze it and nothing is gonna happen. Really, really cool. Nice jimping going on. This satin finish, guys, is getting me all the time. It's just beautiful. 3D mill titanium pocket clip. Just spectacular. It's running on bearings, of course. It's just a really, really good one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.